Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about kitchen and explore different layouts of kitchen. We will discuss 6 types of kitchen layouts. First one is L-shaped kitchen. L-shaped kitchen is the most common and widely used kitchen layout. This layout has L shape. The countertop has two sections that meet at a right angle. The length for each countertop section is typically 6 to 10 feet, but it is not necessary for the length of both sections of the countertop in an L-shaped kitchen layout to be the same. Sink often positioned in the corner, but it is not necessary. Common size for the sink in L-shaped kitchen layout is 22 inches in length and 30 inches in width. There are two walls involved in L-shaped kitchen layout. The storage in all kitchen layouts can include upper cabinets, lower cabinets, drawers and pantry spaces. Next one is U-shaped kitchen. U-shaped kitchen has 3 sections of countertop forming a U-shape. The length of each countertop section typically ranges around 6 to 10 feet. It is common for one or two sections of countertop to be longer than the other sections, depending on the specific needs and design of the kitchen. The sink is typically placed along one of the countertops. The common size is approximately 22 inches in length and 30 inches in width. There are 3 walls involved in U-shaped kitchen layout. Next one is one wall layout kitchen. As shown from name, this layout has one wall and one section of countertop that runs along the entire length of the wall. The typical length range from 6 to 10 feet. Kitchen sink is typically positioned in the center or towards one end of the wall. Common size is approximately 22 inches in length and 30 inches in width. Next one is island kitchen. In island kitchen, 2 countertops or countertop sections are involved. There is one countertop section in the center of the kitchen known as the island countertop, and there are additional countertops along the walls of the kitchen called the main perimeter countertops. A common range for island countertop dimension is around 4 to 8 feet in length and 2 to 4 feet in width. In an island kitchen layout, the sink can be positioned on the island countertop, providing a centralized and functional workspace for food preparation, cooking and cleaning, but the availability of plumbing connections and the ease of installation should be into account. In an island kitchen layout, typically 3 walls are present. Next one is Peninsula Kitchen. Peninsula are often utilized in kitchens that have limited spaces. This layout is popular in modern homes and apartments. The countertop typically consists of a single continuous section that extends from the main kitchen wall into the peninsula. Common dimensions for peninsula countertop are around 4 to 8 feet in length and 2 to 4 feet in width. The sink is typically positioned along the countertop that extends from the wall forming the peninsula. Dimensions around 22 inches in length and 30 inches in width. In a peninsula kitchen layout, the number of walls typically remains the same as in regular U-shaped kitchen. Next one is the galley kitchen, also known as parallel kitchen. Typically, a galley kitchen will have 2 countertop sections, one along each wall in parallel. However, an additional countertop section can be incorporated depending on the specific design and functional requirements. Typically, the countertop depth is around 24 inches and height is around 36 inches. The sink is typically positioned along one of the walls. It is often placed beneath a window. The standard size of the kitchen sink is around 22 inches in length and 30 inches in width. Two walls involved and a 3 to 5 foot corridor or walkway situated between two parallel walls in a galley or parallel kitchen layout.